Hi future entrepreneurs, hope you are doing very good in this pandemic situation. In today's video we are going to see what is mean by black money, where does it come from. If you are new to this channel, kindly give a thumbs up button and give a subscribe and share to other future entrepreneurs too. So if you want to see lot of business video which I gave in I button, also in description link. If you want to donate for this non-profit channel, I gave the e-payment links in description. You can donate from there. If you are from other than Indian user, kindly do mail me or DM me in Instagram for donation for this channel. So thank you so much. Let's get into video what is meant by black money. Black money is unaccounted money from the tax department, which is the tax is not paid. In simple words, we can say is a black money which is hidden from the tax department, where the tax is not paid. Where does the black money goes? Where the people are hidden this black money? In lot of movies we used to say this man is hidden his money in this bank, or this man is hidden his money in that. So lot of things. But what is it? Most of the Indians store their money in the foreign banks, which is not at known. But a report says that it is approximately 1.6 trillions of Indian currency in black, which is stored in Swiss bank. Why they are storing in Swiss bank? That's a lot of details. I will post in my next video why money is hidden in the Swiss bank. Where does this black money come from? What is the source of this black money? Only two sources there. Number one is it is a legal activity, but amount is uncounted. That is, amount is illegal. Another one is pure illegal activity. So the money which is earned in illegal way is not at all reported to tax authorities. So it's considered to be a black money. The second category, the sum of the income which is came in legal way, but they are not at all reported to tax authority to prevent their money from taxes. So in simple way, what I am saying is, if I am buying a piece of land, that is 1 acre of land, I am paying the money of 60% of the money in the electronic transaction, which I have paid tax, and the 40% of money I have paid in cash, which it is illegal money, which is considered to be black money, because I have not said to the tax authorities that I have paid this 40% amount in the cash. I have said that the 100% money equal to the 60% money which I have paid in e-transaction. In this case, the 40% is considered to be a black money. Guys, the black money is mostly filled in our market. So, hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you are very safe in this pandemic situation. Please take care of yourself. For more videos, click the I button to get out the video, or else I have give the link of the playlist in the description to get all the business stuff video. If you want to donate for this channel, you can give donation for the channel, which I gave the e-payment links and e-payment details in the description. So thank you so much. Love you all. Be safe. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.